Hello everybody, GeoGuessr here. So today, I created my own tier list, GeoGuessr Video Games Tier List. And I already rated it. There's only one rating because I just made it. And it has a bunch of games that I play or watch, or maybe don't watch or play. And I'm gonna rate them. So first, I put them in alphabetical order. First, we have Age of Conflicts. I did Ages of Conflict. I did one video on this. It got like 50 views, which is surprising for a video. Well, but not that surprising. I'll put Ages of Conflicts at okay. It could be better, but yeah. Okay, Among Us. I'm gonna put in good. If this was 2023, this would be up here, but it slowly has gotten down in terms of popularity, and right now it's like barely popular. Like barely anybody plays it. City Skylines. Okay, this is one of my favorites. So I used to make City Skylines videos when I had the Stadia edition. But now I'm on Steam, and I haven't found a way to record it yet because Stadia was on Google Chrome, and my screen recorder is only for Google Chrome. So yeah, City Skylines. I got a lot of DLCs. You can see that in my what I got for Christmas video. Yeah, great game. Shout out to Colossal Orders. Wait, was it Colossal Order? No, what was it called? Paradox, yeah. Fall Guys. So Fall Guys, I'm gonna put in great. I play it still on my Switch and Xbox. Great game. I don't have that much to say about it. Actually, here, wait, let me explain how to play each of these games. Age of Conflicts, bunch of civilizations, battle, make revolts, and only one. At the end, there's only one left. Among Us, there's a few imposters and the rest are crewmates. Imposters try to kill everybody without getting caught. Crewmates have to finish tasks and try to find out who the imposter is. Fall Guys, it's basically a bunch of mini games, like including races and yeah, a lot. City Skylines, city building game. You can build your own city and do whatever you want with it. Okay, now Fly Corp. I'm gonna put Fly Corp. Should I put it? I think I'm gonna put it below Fall Guys. So Fly Corp, basically you create your own airline. You unlock different countries to get more cities, and you add them to your airline, and you control the size of the airplane, how many planes are on each line, and a lot of other things. So that's why I put it in great. I haven't done any videos on it yet, but I do play sometimes. Fortnite. Okay, Fortnite. Don't play or watch. I know it's like one of the most popular games, but I never played it. And I don't want to play it. I don't like Fortnite. In Fortnite, basically, I haven't played, so I don't know that much, but basically, from what I know, like, there's a bunch of people, and they battle, and only one wins. And there's a storm. Well, and then you collect loot around the map, and there's a storm, so you have to stay, there's a border, and you have to stay within the border. And yeah, Free Fire basically kind of like Fortnite. There's a bunch of people battling each other. Only one remains at last, and there's a storm that you have to stay within. Free Fire I'll put at good. I'm gonna put it below Among Us. I did do like a few videos on Free Fire, but then I stopped. But the Game of Life. Okay, Game of Life. Basically, you're on a board and you move through life. You get jobs, you get homes, you raise a family. And yeah, basically you have to make life decisions. And the person with the most money at the end wins. Game of life, I'll put in great below Fly Corp. I did like one video on, will I get my first video on Game of Life. This actually, so the Game of Life, I'll count Game of Life 2 in it too. Even though it doesn't say it, I'll just count both the Game of Life and Game of Life 2 in it. Gang Beasts. Okay, so Gang Beasts, I don't play, but I watch YouTubers play it, and it seems pretty fun. Basically, bunch of these characters, as you can see over here, they fight, and like there's normally like a map, and you have to try to get them out. And yeah, a lot of games are like there's people, and then there's only one remaining at the end. Even though I don't watch it, I'm gonna put it in good. In front of Among Us. GeoGuessr, okay, GeoGuessr I'm gonna put, I think below FlyCorp, above Game of Life. Basically, you spawn in a random location around the world, or depends on the map. You spawn in a random location, and you have to try to guess where you are. That's all. I play GeoGuessr. I've done a few videos on it. Pretty fun game. Golf It, okay, Golf It I don't play, but like I said, I watch people play it, and it seems pretty fun. I'll put it between Among Us and Free Fire. Okay, GTA. I'll say it's okay. Yeah, in front of there. GTA 5 I don't play, but I watch people play it. And yeah, seems pretty fun, but I am not 18 plus, so I can't play it. I really want to play it though. Well, I want to see what it's like. But I watch people play it, seems pretty fun, so I'll put it here. Human Fall Flat. Okay. Again, I watch people play it. Seems pretty fun. I'll put it here. Actually, no, I'll put it here. Let me change the board up. There you go. These four games I watch people play. There's one creator that I watch a lot that plays these four games, but other games too. Okay, Minecraft. Minecraft, I'm gonna put top great. I would put it in my favorites, although Minecraft, like, I stopped playing. I used to play it a lot, but then I started playing Roblox more, and then I stopped playing Minecraft. I still play it though. I play with my friends and stuff if they want to play. This I believe is Mini Motorways. I do play it. I don't record it though because it's not on Google Chrome. I'll put it right here. I'm thinking about swapping. Actually, no. Yeah, like that. Right there. Roblox. Okay. Top. I'll put it in front of City Skylines. Roblox. Oh, wait. I haven't explained how to play a few of these games. Human Fall Flat. Basically, a bunch of mini games and stuff you have to complete. Gang Beasts, I explained. Golf It. Just like the name. You play golf with friends. Just like standard golf. GTA 5, basically, you have to try to, it's basically, you're in a world and you try to do thefts and stuff like that. But you could also do challenges in it. Did I explain? Okay, Minecraft. Minecraft, basically, you're in a block world, and you try to, you build homes, you go mining, you explore the nether and the end. You have to try to kill the ender dragon, fight mobs, and yeah, pretty fun game. Roblox, basically a hub of many different games. You can play with your friends. You can chat with people. Yeah, there's a lot of things you can do. I play a lot of Roblox. My first I'd say 100 videos on my channel were Roblox. Not all of them, but like most of them. But some were Rocket League, which is the next one. Rocket League is, I'm gonna put below Minecraft. No, yeah, I'm gonna put below Minecraft in front of Fall Guys. Basically, it's basically soccer, but with cars, and it's very realistic. And you're in like it's like a sphere kind of thing, and you can go on the walls and stuff. So yeah, basically just soccer with cars. Next one, Sims 4. Don't play it, but I watch people play it. These 5 games, actually, I watch people play, especially one creator. I'll try to let you guess who that one creator is. And that one, 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 and that one. Yeah, he does a lot. Territorial.io. Okay. I think I maybe did one video on this game. I don't know. But I'll put it in okay. Below Ages of Conflict. Basically, you have a civilization. It's basically the same thing as this, but you're playing. Like this is just watching a bunch of civilizations battle, but this is you're playing as a civilization, and you have to try to conquer other civilizations that are growing. VALORANT, never played, never watched, but I'll put it in front of Fortnite because I hate Fortnite. So this is my tier list. So let me just save it if I can. Title of tier list. GW Aria video game tier list. Okay, so now yeah, you can follow me on Twitter. There it is, GW Aria YouTube. This is my rating. And I got these images from google.com. Well, where else would you get it? I'm kidding. So yeah, tried this video game tier list out for myself. It's called GW Aria Video Games Tier List. And if you search it, let me try searching it. GW Aria Video Game tier list. Oh, wait, I forgot. Yeah, there it is. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like the video, comment, ring the bell, and share this video with your friends. And yeah, bye now.